The comfort of your home revolves around your most expensive appliance, which is your HVAC system. It's the unsung hero working day and night to make sure that at the hottest temperatures you're comfortable, at the coldest temperatures you're also comfortable. Unfortunately, your HVAC system's not going to last forever. So here's 8 signs as to why you should replace your HVAC system. Number 1, the terrible teens. Often a life of an air conditioner lasts somewhere between 12 to 18 years. And if your system is within this time frame, it's time to seriously consider replacing that system. Because as the system ages, its efficiency decreases over time. A high efficiency system would be a really good option because it can save you up to 50% on your gas and or electric bills.
Number 2, the Limp Along. We've all been there. We've all had that thought, if I could just make it one more year, one more season with this air conditioner, just one more heating season, one more cooling season with this thing, then I can make it. Listen, if you've had problems in the past, you're gonna have problems in the future. It's probably time to replace. Quit limping it along and kicking it down the road. Just make that call and do it before it gets hot.
Number 3, catastrophic failure. When you have a major component on your air conditioning system that fails, it could be the compressor, the heat exchanger, the blower motor, or anything else, those repair costs can get expensive real quick, up to $1,000 or more. And you can have more than one of these major components fail at the same time. A lot of times in the long run, you're better replacing your system and getting a brand new system that will do a better job making you more comfortable, saving on utilities, as opposed to fixing an older system.
Number 4, hot flashes and cold snaps. Have you ever been sitting in a specific place in your home, maybe a specific room, and it just doesn't feel the same as the rest of your house? Maybe it's a little too hot, a little too cold, could be a little bit more humid. Oftentimes that's a result of improperly run ductwork that's not sized correctly for the space that you're sitting in or the space in your home. The sad reality is 60% of homes have improper ductwork sizing in the home, and that can make a huge difference on the life of the system and the quality of comfort you experience in your home.
Number 5, the marathon system. We've all been sitting in a quiet living room, we've heard the blower motor come on, and thought to ourselves, man, this thing is running an awful lot. That's because as a system gets older, it loses efficiency, it loses cooling capacity. When that happens, it takes a lot longer time for your air conditioner to cool down your home, and ultimately leads to a less comfortable home. So, if you're noticing your system is running more and more, it's probably time to make the call and replace your system.
Number 6, what is that clicking noise? That clicking noise is not normal, and it should not come from your air conditioning system. If you have a strange noise that you hear coming from your air conditioning system, that is indicative of a much larger problem. It could be your compressor, your blower motor. It should not be making that noise. And so if your air conditioning system is making a noise that is unfamiliar, that sounds weird, sounds strange, give us a call.
Number 7, CO in your home. Carbon monoxide is one of the biggest issues when it comes to old furnaces, and the only way to tell if you have a carbon monoxide leak is to have a carbon monoxide detector inside your home. And carbon monoxide is due to incomplete combustion in the heat exchanger, and oftentimes that comes in a crack. And if that crack in that heat exchanger is big enough for your eye to see, it is way too big, and it's time to give us a call.
Number 8, easy there, Sparky. As an air conditioner ages, the insulation around the copper wiring inside the air conditioner gets frail, fragile, and brittle. And as that happens, the wiring may begin to show. And if it makes contact with another piece of metal, it can cause a short. When a short occurs, it causes catastrophic failures. It can cause a compressor to go out, blower motor to fail, or general components like a capacitor or contactor to go out. So, as an air conditioner ages, you're more likely to have shorts occur in the system. It's time to replace. Listen, just because your air conditioning system has hit the terrible teens, or maybe had a catastrophic failure, or had a component fail at some point, doesn't mean that it's time to run out and purchase a new air conditioning system. All we're trying to do today is give you 8 telltale signs that it's time to replace your air conditioning system so that you can seriously consider when is the right time to replace your home comfort system.